Welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, your favorite place for natural gardening tips, old world plant wisdom, and, well, secrets from the soil. Today we're talking about a humble but powerful technique that's gaining new respect among regenerative gardeners, chop and drop gardening, specifically using comfrey, which is honestly one of nature's most generous plants. If you're looking for an easy, low-cost way to fertilize your kitchen garden, build rich soil, and improve plant health, this is it. Chop and drop is as simple as it sounds. You grow a plant like comfrey, chop the leaves, and drop them around your garden beds. The results? Stronger plants, fewer weeds, better moisture retention, and vibrant soil life, all without synthetic fertilizers or, back-breaking composting. Let's dive into why comfrey is the real hero of this method. Comfrey has deep taproots that stretch down into the subsoil, absorbing minerals that most shallow-rooted plants can't reach. These minerals, especially calcium, potassium, and phosphorus, are pulled up into the plant's massive leaves. When we chop those leaves and let them decompose in place, all of those nutrients go straight back into the topsoil, making them accessible to your vegetables. In my own raised beds, I cut my comfrey down 2 or 3 times a season. I wait until the leaves are large and lush, usually about 2 feet tall, then snip them close to the base and lay them right around my tomatoes, squash, herbs, and leafy greens. The leaves break down fast, feeding the soil and acting like a thick, nutrient-rich mulch. It's like a compost pile in real time, right where the plants need it. Here's what else happens. Comfrey suppresses weeds, reduces evaporation from the soil, and keeps roots cooler during the heat of summer. Earthworms love it too. The decaying leaves create a soft, moist environment where worms can thrive. And as they move through your soil, they aerate it and leave behind castings that boost fertility even more. And guess what? You don't need a lot of space to make this work. 1 or 2 comfrey plants can supply plenty of leaf mulch for a small garden. I like to keep a comfrey patch at the edge of the garden that I treat as my living fertilizer station. It's always growing, always ready to cut. The best part? The more you cut comfrey, the more vigorously it comes back. If you let some of it bloom, the flowers attract pollinators like bees and hoverflies. But don't worry, chopping the plant back before or after flowering won't hurt it. It actually encourages better root growth and leaf production over time. So, if you're tired of buying compost, hauling those heavy bags of fertilizer, or constantly mulching, just consider growing comfrey and giving chop and drop a try. It's a centuries-old method that fits perfectly into today's organic garden. Simple, natural, effective, and honestly, your soil will absolutely love you for it. If this video gave you some ideas, do hit that like button, subscribe to Gentle Herb Living, and share this with a fellow gardener who's ready to grow with less effort and, well, a bit more joy. Until next time, stay rooted and let the plants do the work.